Welcome back. Open Android Studio, create a new project, empty views, activities, and I'll name it as Navigation App. And the first step is to add the dependency for the navigation component. Let's go to developer.android.com/jetpack/androidx/releases/navigation, or you can simply search for navigation dependency. The latest stable release is 2.7.4 and select Kotlin, and this is for Java language implementation, this is for Kotlin implementation, and this is for Jetpack Compose. We'll start with the Java language implementation. Later on in this course, when switching to Kotlin sections, we're going to use this implementation. So since our project is based on Java, we're going to copy the dependency for the Java. Go to build.gradle.kts and here paste the dependency. We need to get the nav version and let's add it to here. Click sync now. And in this video, I'm going to create the first step, which is creating the navigation graph. A navigation graph is a resource file that contains all of your destinations and actions. The graph represents all of your app's navigation paths. So click on resources folder, then create a new Android resource directory, and here I need to select navigation. Click OK, and you can see the navigation folder is created. Inside this navigation folder, I'll create navigation resource file, and I'll name it as navigation graph. Click OK, and you can see it .xml extension. This is our navigation graph. And you can see this is our navigation graph.xml file. You can go to split mode, you can see the navigation tag, and you can go to code. But I prefer to use the design at first to define the destinations and link destinations together with actions.